Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best wooden pill box is probably one of the most elegant and practical solutions for keeping your daily medications organized and accessible, blending seamlessly into your home decor while offering superior functionality compared to flimsy plastic alternatives. This isn't just about sorting pills, it's about upgrading your wellness routine with a touch of sophistication and ensuring you never miss a dose, all within a beautifully crafted container designed for both durability and aesthetic appeal. Number 5. HigherHuman 7-Day Weekly Pill Organizer 2.0. Discover the perfect blend of style and function with our premium pill organizer. Crafted from elegant aluminum and wood, it's designed to seamlessly fit into your life. This organizer boasts a sophisticated design, featuring high-quality aluminum and wood accents. It's not just a pill box, it's a stylish accessory for your home. With its generous capacity, it easily holds all your daily supplements, pills, and medications. Keep everything you need organized and accessible in one place. Plan your medication and supplement intake for the entire week with this convenient 7-day organizer. Simplify your routine and stay on track effortlessly. Choose the premium option for managing your health essentials. Its durable construction and elegant finish make it a long-lasting and beautiful addition to your daily life. This stylish organizer comes in a sophisticated steel gray finish. It's designed to complement any decor while providing practical organization. What we like? This organizer boasts a premium feel with its stylish aluminum and wood construction. Its large capacity ensures you can store all your daily medications and supplements with ease. If you appreciate a blend of aesthetics and functionality, and want a pill organizer that looks good on your counter, this is a fantastic choice. What people say? The wood grain is beautiful and the craftsmanship is excellent. It's a perfect size for my vitamins and supplements, and it looks great on my counter. The compartments are deep enough to hold a good amount of pills, and the lids close securely. Number 4. HigherHuman 7-Day Weekly Pill Organizer. Introducing the HigherHuman 7-Day Weekly Pill Organizer. It's designed to keep your daily medications and supplements neatly organized. Crafted from premium aluminum and wood, this organizer offers a touch of elegance to your daily routine. Its stylish design complements any home decor. Don't worry about running out of space. This pill box features a large capacity, perfect for holding all your daily vitamins, supplements, and medicines. With 7 compartments, you can easily sort your pills for each day of the week. Never miss a dose again with this convenient solution. Its intuitive design makes accessing your pills simple and straightforward. Stay on top of your health regimen with ease and style. Whether at home or on the go, this organizer is your perfect companion for managing your health. Experience the blend of premium quality and practical design. What we like? Experience elegance with this premium organizer, featuring a stylish aluminum and wood design. It offers ample space for all your pills and vitamins, making organization effortless. If you're looking for a pill box that combines sophisticated style with practical, large-capacity storage, this option is perfect for you. What people say? The wood is beautiful and the compartments are deep enough for large pills. It's a great way to keep my medications organized and easily accessible. The magnetic closure is strong and keeps the organizer securely shut. Number 3. GloDeals Weekly Pill Organizer. Tired of forgetting your daily medication? Our pill organizer is here to help you stay on track with your health routine. This weekly organizer allows you to sort your pills for each day of the week. It's designed for easy access and management of your supplements and medicines. With compartments for multiple daily doses, it ensures you take the right amount at the right time. Its thoughtful design makes managing your health effortless. Each compartment is spacious enough to hold your daily pills and vitamins. The clear labeling makes it simple to identify each day's medication. Keep your vitamins and medications organized and accessible with this essential daily pill box. It's the perfect solution for maintaining your wellness routine. This white pill case offers a clean aesthetic while providing practical organization. It fits seamlessly into your daily life, ensuring your health needs are met. What we like? This organizer is designed for those who need to track medication multiple times a day. Its large compartments can hold a generous amount of pills, and the clear labeling makes it easy to identify each dose. If you need to manage a complex medication schedule with up to 3 daily doses, this is the ideal solution for you. What people say. This pill organizer is made of wood, which gives it a natural and elegant look. The wood is smooth and well finished, adding a touch of sophistication to my countertop. The compartments are spacious enough to hold a good amount of pills, and the lids close securely, preventing any accidental spills. I appreciate the thoughtful design that makes it easy to access my medication. The organizer is also quite sturdy and durable. It feels like a quality product that will last for a long time. The natural wood grain adds a unique charm to each piece. Number 2. Made Easy Kit 7-Day Pill Case. Introducing the Made Easy Kit, your ultimate solution for weekly medication management. Its spacious design ensures all your daily doses are neatly organized. With 28 compartments, this case easily holds a week's worth of vitamins, medicines, or capsules. Each day is divided into morning, noon, evening, and bedtime for precise tracking. This organizer comes in a stylish brown woods neoprene carrier, offering both protection and portability. Keep your essentials secure wherever you go. Managing your health routine has never been simpler. Just fill it once a week and have peace of mind knowing you won't miss a dose. Its compact and durable design makes it ideal for both home use and travel. Stay on track with your health regimen effortlessly. What we like. With 28 individual compartments, this organizer offers unparalleled daily organization for your vitamins and medications. The included neoprene carrier makes it perfect for on-the-go use, keeping everything secure and accessible. If you need meticulous organization for a week's worth of pills, divided into 4 daily slots, and value portability, this is the product for you. What people say. This pill organizer is made of wood, which gives it a natural and aesthetically pleasing look. The compartments are well-sized and can hold a good amount of pills. It's sturdy and feels durable, suggesting it will last a long time. Number 1. Pillar 7-Day Pill Case, Off-White. Introducing the Pillar 7-Day Pill Case, your perfect companion for daily use and travel. Its beautiful off-white design adds a touch of elegance to your routine. This weekly pill box is designed for your convenience. Keep your daily medications or vitamins organized with ease, wherever you go. Looking for a stylish way to carry your supplements? This aesthetic travel pill organizer is both functional and beautiful, fitting seamlessly into your lifestyle. It's not just for pills, use it as a great vitamin organizer too. Ensure you never miss a dose with this practical and attractive solution. Experience simple yet stylish organization with this weekly pill box. Its beautiful design makes managing your health regimen a pleasure. Whether at home or on the go, this pill case is the perfect solution. Its compact size and thoughtful design make it an indispensable travel accessory. What we like. This pill case features a beautiful, aesthetic design that's perfect for travel. Its off-white finish adds a touch of elegance, making it a stylish accessory. If you prioritize a visually appealing organizer that is compact and convenient for trips, this is an excellent choice for your vitamin and supplement needs. What people say. The wood is solid and the compartments are deep enough to hold a good amount of pills. It looks very nice on my counter and doesn't scream, pill organizer. The magnetic clasp is strong and keeps everything securely closed. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.